Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the leading sectors and the lagging sectors, and would like to keep the video short owing to the shorter week in US since 4th July was a holiday over there, and the kind of activity in the market with respect to US is pretty much less. This week we had a fantastic run of 3 good days and 2 bad days. Out of that, overall returns is 0.95% on the broader market, which is pretty much good. And I would say that market is trying to be neutrally bullish, and currently the situation is like the broader market is slightly improvising, and as a result we can see good amount of returns in the broader sector as well, and the leading sectors continue to be bullish. Let me deep dive into the sectors, starting with Nifty. We can observe that the Nifty is currently hovering above 50 days moving average, which is pretty much a good sign altogether for us. And this, if it continues to be in this manner, then it is very highly likely that we can see one more leg of upward run and conquering the 200 days moving average in the coming days. And I'll be slightly cautious until then, but so far things look to be good. And moving ahead with the leading sectors, Nifty Private Bank continues to dominate the market. Still, it is above 200 days moving average. Though this or weekly returns is around the negative end, this is taking a breather overall, but I'm still bullish on this particular space. And moving to Nifty Healthcare, this particular week we had a fantastic returns of 3%. So as I mentioned, there has been a significant up run in Nifty Healthcare. Oh, and also we can observe the same trend in Nifty Pharma, which gave around 3.11% in this particular week, along with that Nifty Mid Small Health, which has given nearly 4% in one particular week. These are pretty much stronger sectors in the current week, and they have given good amount of returns from the past run. Now moving ahead with Nifty Microcap, this pocket had around like 1.45% of returns. Though broader market is pretty much strongly improvising, I'll be continuing to be bullish from the perspective of Nifty Microcap at this point. Also moving ahead with Nifty Energy. This is one space which I have been cautious in the past week, and this week I have exited my investment with Nifty Energy with overall returns of around 10 plus percentage. And in this particular week, basically Nifty Energy had a negative run. Owing to the oil prices falling down and OMC's cutting price, their profitability by default has been cut. So as a result, we can see negative returns in Nifty Energy space. And observing Nifty Defense, again this particular space also had a stronger run up of 2%. And Nifty Metal, this is one disappointing space at this point of hour, because though we can see a positive run up, see the price action. Currently it wanted to break on the above end, and there was a kind of M pattern we can see here altogether. So this is with respect to the leading sectors. And one surprising sector with respect to Nifty, which is supporting the broader market, is Nifty IT. Let me open the charts here. This is with respect to Nifty IT. In this particular week, there was huge amount of wild swings in Nifty IT, which nearly had around 8% around the overall swing. That means we had a base or the bottom which was made around like 25,700, and it moved up until 27,800. So what happens over here during these kind of scenarios? At this point, Nifty IT on the weekly terms is showing kind of resilience, but until unless it conquers the 50 days moving average and decisively moves up, I'll not be very much bullish about this sector. And surprisingly, one more sector, which is Nifty Realty, has literally given 8% returns in single week. And it has clearly conquered the 200 days moving average here. We can observe in the charts, which is a very strong positive sign. I'll hope for this particular or the range to be broken out decisively. And this would give me the confirmation saying that the realty space is going to give a upper run in the upcoming days. That would be my expectation with respect to Nifty Realty. This was one of the lagging space in the past. At this particular point, it is making a comeback, which is a strong sign. So what we can think of is, apart from the existing sectors which are making the bullish run, Nifty Realty is coming as a dark horse, and I hope this breaks the previous trend line and we tend to see the upper run altogether. That is with respect to the broader market and the bullish runs. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more.